The first look of Galaxy Fold 2 is here. What is up guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here. First of all, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It really means a lot to me, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe too. So I made a previous video on Galaxy Fold 2, and this video is the second part of it. So if you want to see the first video, link to that is in the description down below. So we finally got our first look of Galaxy Fold 2's inner display. So it is also using a punch hole unlike the giant notch on original Galaxy Fold, but with a weird placement of the punch hole. But the reason behind it is to prevent the overlapping of cameras. You see, the punch hole is in the middle of right side of flexible display. It isn't in the top right corner because there are rear cameras on the back of it, otherwise it would have been overlapped on it. Same goes with the left side where there is a front camera on the front panel of it. So it makes sense for it to have this kind of placement, but you don't need to worry about it because the final finished product by Samsung is going to be much better. So we are having 6.2 inch 60Hz OLED display on the front and 7.7 inch giant 120Hz OLED panel, and would also use LTPO and ultra thin glass technology. Also, Ice Universe, the famous Samsung leaker, pointed out that the corners of the Galaxy Fold 2 are going to be much sharper than the Galaxy Fold. Furthermore, there won't be any S Pen in it because Samsung thinks that flexible OLEDs are not yet ready for styluses, and I think it's a smart move. Maybe with Galaxy Fold 3 or Fold 4, who knows, we may see that. We still don't have any solid confirmation on the camera specs of it, but we do got a leak on which battery it would use. It is going to use 4500 mAh battery, which is quite decent for a foldable tablet, and it would use Snapdragon 865 Plus. Also, it is estimated that the bezel of Galaxy Fold 2's inner display is only 3.8mm, which is even smaller than iPhone 11 Pro, which is absolutely insane, and trust me, it is going to look futuristic with that. And as of the punch hole, it would be 4.8mm, so we can expect an almost bezel-less look from it. So some sources claim that Galaxy Fold 2 would cost lesser than the original Galaxy Fold, and here is a chart comparing the difference between Galaxy Fold 2 and Galaxy Fold's price difference. Actually, it was claimed that Galaxy Fold 2 would launch in August alongside Galaxy Note 20, but to reduce confusion among customers, Samsung would now launch it in September. So yeah, that's all I got today. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon. Also drop a like on this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.